Let's break down the real difference between DIY door refinishing and professional door renew service and what you're actually paying for. DIY door refinishing often looks cheaper up front, but the real cost adds up quickly when you factor in specialty tools, trial and error products, time, mess, and the risk of having to redo or even replace the door. Most DIY projects rely on consumer-grade stains or paints and incomplete prep, which leads to brush marks, uneven finishes, trapped moisture, and peeling within a year or two. Doorrenew, by contrast, includes professional-grade exterior coatings with UV protection, thorough surface preparation that addresses sun and moisture damage, trained application for consistent results, a one-day, low-disruption process, and warranty-backed accountability. What you're really paying for isn't just a better-looking door, but durability, reduced risk, long-term value, and peace of mind. DIY refinishing pays for products and your time. Doorrenew pays for results. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.